Good afternoon, students. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Okay, I'm also fine. So, kids, as in your last class, we have discussed book exercise of chapter 2, software and its type. So, it's time to complete that book exercise for the day, right? So, let's go on. So, here is our book exercise. As in book exercise, we have done true and false and fill-ups. So it's time to move for the third one, that is match the following. Okay, so here are your match. What we are going to do in this match, one side your application softwares are given, and on another side means the type of the software is given, and on another side the example that can perform on that task is given. So we have to match the correct application with it correct kind of task. Okay, so let's begin. The first one is spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is a kind of software where we want to do the tabular work. So for spreadsheet work we can use LibreOffice Calc. Got it? So your first one will go with third one, that is LibreOffice Calc. Then to move the further, the second one, word processor. Word processor or word processing can be done by using LibreOffice Writer. Okay, so LibreOffice Writer is a software that is used for word processing. So your second one will go with last one. Second will go with last one. Then the third, graphics software. This goes with graphic means Tux Paint. The graphics software will go with Tux Paint application. जो Tux Paint application है ये आपकी graphic software है. Okay? Then means the first third one will go with the last third one. Got it? Now the fourth, presentation software. So for creating the presentation or a presentation software, the example is LibreOffice Impress. Impress is a software that is used to design or create presentation. Got it? So here is your presentation. Then the next one, that is compression. Compression, the software that is used for compression is bzip2. bzip2 is used for compression. Okay, bzip2 is used for compression. Compression means to compress a file in a lower size. Okay, then the next one is desktop publishing. Desktop publishing means where the magazines can be printed, cards are going to design. So these kind of work, that desktop publishing is done by Scribus. Scribus is an application that is used for desktop publishing. Okay, so done. Let's revise. First, spreadsheet, calc, word processor, writer, graphics, paint, presentation, impress, compression, bzip, and desktop publishing, Scribus. Done? Okay, now let's move to the next exercise, and your next exercise is multiple choice questions. So in multiple choice questions, your first question is, dash is considered as the father of Pentium. Dash is considered as father of Pentium. He is Vinod Dham. So your answer number 1 is B, Vinod Dham. He is considered as father of Pentium. Okay, now let's move to the next one. Dash software helps us to arrange and store a large amount of information in an organized manner. Dash software helps us to arrange and store large amount of information in organized manner. Organized manner means when we need to keep the data in a proper manner in the form of records. So that is database. So database software help us to arrange data in organized manner. So your answer number 2 is option C, database. Now the third one. A dash program helps you to perform calculations and analyze data in a better way. So the calculation that we can do is on spreadsheet. When we make table or we enter data in a tabular form in a spreadsheet, then it's enable us to perform calculations and analyze data in a better way. So your third answer is A, spreadsheet. Okay, now the fourth one, dash is an example of antivirus utility. As antivirus program is also known as the utility software, like we have studied software, utility software, system software and application software. So among them, antivirus utility system is AVG. AVG is an antivirus software, whereas bzip and winzip are the compression kind of software. Okay, bzip2 and winzip, it is compression software, and AVG is antivirus utility software. Clear? Okay, now let's move to the last one, to the MCQs. So MCQs, the last one is software which are designed to meet the specific needs of users are called dash software. Specific need. Are you getting the term? The one word that denotes specific need means when a user need a special kind of work, then he or she will go for specific purpose software. Like the example we have seen, library management or account management in office, right? So these kind of software are known as specific purpose software, where the user asks the programmer to design a software as per his requirement. So answer number 5 is A, specific purpose. Now we will move to the question answers, like define the term software and name its types. So the software, a set of program, is known as software. Okay, what you can write, the software is the name, a set of program. Your answer is on here, like software is that part that we cannot see or touch. It is a set of program or a collection of program that is called software, and its type. So you will write two type of software, system software and application software, right? Then your answer number 2, what is an operating system? Briefly explain, and its any two function. So your operating system answer is on page number 17, the first line, operating system. An operating system works like the principal of your school. Okay, first line you will write. Then you can write, an operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enable them to work together. Is it clear? So you can write, an operating system works like the principal of your school. An operating system controls the overall activities of a computer. It acts as a link between the user and the hardware and enable them to work together. And to write two functions, so you will write two functions like this. Number 1, device management, and number 2, memory management. So you need to write only the heads. Okay, the function of operating system are to manage device management, and the second is memory management. Done. Now the third one, explain the term utility software. So explain the term utility software. So here is your answer on page number 18. Utility programs perform specific tasks usually related to managing a computer, its devices or its program. These programs assist in the smooth functioning of the computer system and help it to perform better. Okay, so this one is your answer number 3, utility software. Now, what is the function of word processing software? Means here it is asking a specific application software, that is word processing software. So word processing softwares are used for the word processing kind of work, like to create documents, letters, messages, etc. So your answer is on page number 19. Here you can see word processing software. So you will write the answer as, a word processor helps us to create professional looking documents quickly and efficiently. It provides many features to change the appearance of text in a desired manner. So you will write answer only up to manner, this much only answer. Okay, is it clear to all? So this one is your answer number 4. A word processor helps us to create professional looking document quickly and efficiently. It provides many features to change the appearance of text in a desired manner. So this is your word processing software. Then last but not least, describe the use of multimedia software. So here we need to describe the multimedia software. What is multimedia software? So multimedia software is described on page number 22. That is, multimedia software is used to create video, animation, sound, graphics and text with a high degree of interaction. Okay, so this is called multimedia software. And the best example of multimedia software is OpenShot video editor or Windows Movie Maker. And there are lots of online softwares available which provide us the facility to create videos or to create sound files or graphic files. Okay, so here are your answers. Today we discussed match the followings. Application based questions you are going to solve by yourself, as it will give you the era where you can think and write. So this is your homework for the day. We have done match, then we have completed our MCQs, means multiple choice questions, and last but not least we have completed our question answers. There were 5 question answers that I have explained you how to write, from where to write. So you kindly complete your notebook as it is required, and your exams are approaching. So you need to complete your work efficiently and properly. So kindly complete and submit it for correction. Okay, so that's all from my side for the day. Stay happy, stay blessed, take care of yourself and your parents and your elders. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.